Hello friends, in this video we will review a very special moving average called ADX VMA. Everybody knows ADX who is into trading, at least you probably have heard of it. It is volatility tool which measures volatility of the market, if markets are trending or not. And probably you haven't heard of VMA, variable moving average, which was invented by Indian trader Chande. It's also called Vidya. So it's a combination of two, ADX and VMA, and is one of the finest trend filtering tools that you can apply when you're trading the markets. Here we are looking at EURUSD chart and daily, and see how nicely this moving average holds the trends. I applied VMA, ADX VMA 8 periods daily, 8 periods daily, and 8 periods weekly. I suggest using those from higher time frames. So here we have 8 periods weekly ADX VMA, and here we have 8 periods daily ADX VMA. You see, all trends had been very nicely caught, and it could stay in a trend as long as price is below daily ADX VMA. Doesn't work always very nicely, but most of times it keeps the trend. You will be most of times you will be on the right side of the market, especially if you trade off the moving average, depending on which side the price is. So see how nicely it kept the trend daily 8 period ADX VMA. So as soon as price closes below daily ADX VMA, like it closed here, it signals trend change. You see here it was right, it closed below ADX VMA 8 period, and this happened after Fed decision that it won't raise the hike. So the trigger behind this trend change was a Fed decision. So mostly, at least oftentimes, the change comes after ESB or Fed makes its decisions to lower or raise the rates when price is closing below ADX VMA, and it confirms the trend change due to the fundamental reasons. Likewise, weekly does the same job. It holds trends very well. Look how price trended below or above a weekly 8 period ADX VMA. Look, all this trend from 2021-22 had been nicely held by ADX VMA also back in 2019. So right now we are on weekly. We are bullish, moderately bullish, but on daily we are bearish. So we will see currently prices trending below daily. So very likely it probably will make to 0.7 here. And then we will see how it behaves around weekly ADX VMA. You can go lower time frames like 4 hours, where I have automatically plotted 8 period ADX VMA for 4 hours based on close. Now, how can you trade, make your entries? You trade on pullbacks to 4 hours ADX VMA. Like here it signaled short. Here all the shorts, all the big shorts in EURUSD have been caught by this moving average. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 shots also in uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 longs in this uptrend. Of course, it's good to have if price is both above daily and about 4 hours and about weekly, then you're sure that this uptrend. Look in this mass here back in January, you still knew you had to short because price had been trading below 4 hours and was breaking below daily as well, closing below daily. So you would short from the 4 hours down. So it's incredibly accurate indicator. It's probably one of the best moving averages you find on the market, and surprisingly there is very little information about this indicator. So if you are into indicators, I would very highly recommend ADX VMA to check on that. Of course, we can use Camarilla pivot points in addition to that to know the reversals of for targets. We can use Camarilla pivot points. So use this tool to your advantage, how to filter trends, and you will be less wrong. Then of course it's kind of harder to fine-tune the entries, but as I told, we can use 4 hours ADX VMA to trigger shorts or longs from during the retracements to this moving average. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, to share with you this indicator, call it ADX VMA. Have a happy Easter. Peace and blessings from Iceland. Be well. God bless you.